Good morning, class 9th. Class 9th, we are doing chapter number 23, that is trigonometric ratios of standard angles. Chapter number 23, trigonometric ratios of standard angles. So we will continue this chapter in the same class. So I am taking this question. This is the first part of question number 11th. We have to find the value of angle A in this question. The question is 2 sine A cos A minus cos A minus 2 sine A plus 1 is equals to 0. We have to find the value of angle A. Okay, just understand. There are 4 terms, first, second, third and fourth. There are 4 terms. So I am taking a group. I am making a group in fact. First and second term will make one group and third and fourth term will make another group. Now just tell me what I can take common from these two terms. Can I take cos A as common? So if I take cos A common, in the bracket I have to write 2 sine A minus 1. Do you know what is the meaning of taking common? When I say take common, it means divide. Divide by cos A. Now, from the third and fourth term, take minus 1 common. So when you take minus 1 common, the sign will change. That is minus 2 sine A will become plus 2 sine A. And this plus 1 will become minus 1. Yes or no? Now you can see that 2 sine A minus 1 is written in this bracket and also in the second bracket. So it means now we can take 2 sine A minus 1 as common. Again, whenever you take common, you have to apply a bracket. Okay? Whenever you take common, you need to apply a bracket. So in the bracket I will write this cos A minus 1 is equals to 0. So one by one I will substitute the value of 2 sine A minus 1 is equals to 0. That is 2 sine A is equals to 1. That is sine A is equals to 1 upon 2. And you know that 1 upon 2 is the value of sine 30. So sine will sine cancel, angle A is equals to 30. हालांकि ध्यान रखना साइन कैंसिल नहीं करते हैं, बट 9 स्टैंडर्ड है, मैंने कर दिया ताकि समझने में दिक्कत ना आए. Similarly, I will substitute cos A minus 1 is equals to 0. I will write or. So cos A is equals to 1. So you know that 1 is the value of cos 0. So cos will cancel, A will be 0 degree. Okay, got it? Just give me your feedback. समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? कोई भी problem हो, please let me know through the group. Second part of 11th question is tan A minus 2 cos A tan A. Class 9th, do ask your doubts so that I may clear your doubts. Okay. Similarly, we have 4 terms, first, second, third and fourth. We have again 4 terms. What term I can take common from these 2 terms? I can take tan A as common. So if I take tan A common, in the bracket I will write 1 minus 2 cos A. Similarly, I will take minus 1 common from third and the fourth term. So if I take minus 1 common, sign will change. Okay, whenever you take minus common, sign will change. So this minus 1 will become plus 1 and plus 2 cos A will become minus 2 cos A. Yes or no? Now you can see that in these 2 brackets we have same term, that is 1 minus 2 cos A. So if we have 1 minus 2 cos A, that is same term in both these 2 brackets, I can take 1 minus 2 cos A as common. In the bracket I will write tan A minus 1. Yes or no? So 1 minus 2 cos A is equals to 0 or tan A minus 1 equals to 0. So with this I can have cos A is equals to 1 by 2. This is the value of cos 60. So angle A is 60 degree. And here tan A is equals to 1. So tan 45. So angle A is equals to 45. So we have again 2 answers, 60 and 45. Now I'm taking another question. Just understand the concept. I'm taking third part also, question number 11. 2 cos square a minus 3 cos a plus 1 is equals to 0. What do you have to find out, students? You have to find the value of angle A. So if I assume as cos A as x for a while, then it will be look like 2x square minus 3x plus 1, a very simple quadratic equation. Now you have to think accordingly chapter factorization. What you have studied in chapter factorization, you know how to factorize a quadratic equation. This is a simple quadratic equation, and by splitting the middle term you can factorize it. How you will factorize it? Minus 2x minus x plus 1, yes or no? So if you take 2x common from these two terms, in the bracket you will write x minus 1, and if you take minus 1 common from these two terms, remember students, whenever you take minus 1 common, the sign gets changed inside the bracket. So this minus x will become plus x and this plus 1 will become minus 1. Now you have same terms in the bracket. So x minus 1 will be common, 2x minus 1. These are very important questions. Students find difficulty in these questions which I am solving. I have solved the first part, the second part, I am solving the third part, and there are total 4 parts. I will solve the fourth part for you as well. So now x minus 1 is equals to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 1, that is cos A is equals to 1 because the value of x was cos A, remember? So this is the value of cos 0. A is equals to 0 degree. So what I expect from you is, you know what? Only your feedback. Only your feedback. And your doubts. Send your doubts to me so that I can clear your doubts. Okay, to make the class more interesting, you need to support me. Send your doubts, ask your problems. We have a maths group, so do ask, you can ask. You're most welcome with your queries. So x is equals to 1 upon 2, that is cos A is equals to 1 upon 2. So this is cos 60, angle A is equals to 60 degree. Again we have two answers, okay? Again, last part, question number 11th, fourth part, 2 tan 3a into cos 3a minus tan 3a plus 1 is equals to 2 cos 3a. So first step is 2 tan 3a cos 3a minus tan 3a plus 1. This 2 cos 3a will come to the left hand side, minus 2 cos 3a is equals to 0. First term, second term, third term and fourth term. From these two terms, first two terms, what you can take common? You can take tan 3a as common. Inside the bracket you will write 2 cos 3a minus 1, and from third and fourth term you can take minus 1 common. When you take minus common, I told you again and again, sign gets changed to 2 cos 3a will become positive and plus 1 will become minus 1. So tan 3a minus 1 into 2 cos 3a minus 1 is equals to 0. Just substitute this, tan 3a minus 1 equals to 0. So tan 3a is equals to 1, and 1 is the value of tan 45, you know that. So 3a is equals to 45, 10 will cancel with this 10. So angle A is 15 degree. Final answer. अब इससे ज़्यादा बताइए और क्या करूँ स्टूडेंट्स? सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, प्रॉब्लम्स भी पूछ रहा हूँ, पर आप लोग अपने डाउट्स नहीं पूछ रहे हो, ये गलत बात है बेटा. So 2, now I am putting this 2 cos 3a is equals to minus 1. 2 cos 3a minus 1 equals to 0, sorry. So 2 cos 3a is equals to 1. Cos 3a is equals to 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is value of cos 60. You know that. So cos will cancel with this cos. 3a is equals to 60 and angle A is equals to 20 degree. समझ में आया कि नहीं? चलिए, आपने फीडबैक दीजिए, बहुत ज़रूरी है गर्ल्स, और कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो पूछिए. थैंक यू आज की क्लास के लिए.